Kinamay ang cereals.
Tita Jim,
Yes?
have you played here yesterday?
Yes. What do you want to play ba? What?
Daddy,
Yes?
can I play?
Yes, of course. Everything you want, baby.
I want to play hide and seek.
Okay, you play with K-Boy.
Wait a minute, play fish. Yeah.
You want milk? There's so many milk there.
No.
You like?
Oh, I want to play fish.
Ah, shading is kidding. Shading is kidding. See, you like?
Mm.
Okay.